Yes, okay, yeah, traders, welcome to the weekend analysis. It is another day, and as usual, I'm going to share analysis on gold. So now this is gold spot, and actually, I do what to call the top down analysis from monthly time frame, then I go down to 4 hour time frame. But sometimes I touch the 1 hour time frame now for the purpose of entries. But in most cases, we can have entries in 4 hour time frame. So actually, we'll be doing a top-down analysis that is based on trend lines, is based on support and resistance. Also, I read the candlestick, and in addition, I do the wave counts. So in most cases, I expect most of us we analyze market based on those criteria. So you will find your own criteria in this analysis. Okay, so now, if you have not joined our Telegram channel, you can follow. The link is in the video description. Actually, we're expected to start a copy trade. Now, we have copy trades. There are a few traders who are following us. So we expect to do just a public now to most of traders to just freely copy our trades. So make sure that you join our Telegram channel. You can see our copy trade performance, and also you'll see the links maybe to follow our copy trade now. So straightforward, I'm in a monthly chart, and basically we can see in 3 months consecutively. Now price is bouncing from this region, from the 2000 level. So when price goes down to 2000 level, some buyers came in, push it to the upside. So in most cases, now we expect this may keep on happening to an extent that price may sometimes in a monthly chart go up and close above those region. It has been closing here now to 2068 in any way, so it may slightly push to the upside and close above those levels. So now this doesn't mean that gold is straightforward to the upside. No, anything can happen here. So as we keep on analyzing, we can provide you with a probable direction in a specific month. But now for the purpose of this, so we can expect some buyers will still come in pushing to the upside. So then straightforward, we go to the weekly chart. So now in weekly chart, we see this week has closed with a beautiful bullish momentum. And actually, this is following the previous week that had a rejection from the 2000 level. So basically, that is very clear that buyers are taking control. When the price is going down to 2000 level, they push price up again. So now in weekly time frame, how far price may keep on pushing to the upside following those buyers who enter at 2000 level. So in most cases, we expect the price may push up to this level up here. So I have presented a trend line here. So now price may go and get resistance. I mean, get resisted and bounce to the downside around this region here, 2040 something there, or 2045 in most cases. I've been saying this since in my previous weekend analysis. So that is powerful. Then I go to daily time frame to see highlights. So as we go down, you can find that there are a lot of things to consider. So now in daily time frame, we see we have a triangle idea. So actually we see prices moving in three waves up and down. So three down, three up, three down again. So currently we expect to see three waves up. So how those three waves up are going to be created? Actually, we have seen the level is above here. So price is approaching the level. So now possibly price may go straight to the level. But in most cases, I expect to see price correcting from the current price up to this level marked by a square down here. So then after hitting this level around the level of 2015, 2012, so price may now go to the upside and hit the level of 2045, as I've been saying in my previous analysis. So then as we go down now, we can see the entries. Now we can see the possible entries for next week. Now, as we go down, we can see now the possible entries for next week. So now we have a clear triangle, but in addition to the triangle, we can see in this time frame, I have added the dotted line. Now we see the dotted line here. So this dotted line, it provides us with some possible turning points now. other possible turning points. So as we are looking for price to move to around 2044, 2045, so we can see there are certain areas where price may turn. So as I've said, before price moving to 2045, I expected to see it moving back again to around 2015. So how that's going to happen, because we already have this intermediate level here marked by a dotted trend line. So now this may hold it true because we see now on Friday price quickly pushed it to that level, and in 4 hour time frame we see some bearish momentum started created there. So now in most case this may hold it true, then the price is going to push again down to this level down here. So why this is going to happen, let me go to 1 hours now to see clearly the structure of the market. So now as we go down to lower time frames, now you can go up to 30 minutes in any way. It depends on how deeper you can go. So basically you can see now what I have identified here. I have identified the 1, 2, 3, 4, a triangle, 5 to the upside. So now in most case, when I look forward for price coming to 2015, it means I'm looking for a possible correction. So now, actually, next week, we can see a possible push maybe in 5 wave to the downside. This will be A, then price may correct to the upside in wave B, finally will complete with other 5 wave to the downside. This will be in wave C. So now, how are we going to trade next week? We can watch for now after opening of the market. You can just watch the formation here. So if price will keep on pushing to the downside in 5 wave move, so you will wait for a correction of those 5 wave move down. Then finally you will be selling in wave C down. And actually, it is not a full sell. You will be selling with caution. You have to take some precautions here. So you have to hold up to around 2015. Then when you see prices now around 2015, now you can take some buys to around 2045, as I'm saying here. So those are the two possible trades that you can take next week. So you will be taking some sells, as I've said, and also you'll be taking some buys, as I've added. So that is all. That's the projection. So make sure that you add your own analysis, watch analysis from other traders, and also join our Telegram channel for updates, because we can provide updates at any point. So thank you for your time and have a powerful weekend.